How to remove top searches from Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove top searches from Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you basically have the Netflix application over here, and then let's say that you just happen to sign into your account over here, right? Once you sign into your account, let's say whenever you tap the search button from the top right hand side of the screen, you'll most likely find this option that says top searches. Now let me tell you one thing, these top searches are not removable because it is not given by you, it is given by Netflix themselves, which means that, remember like this, just like think how you have on YouTube, right? You have the trending section. The trending section on YouTube simply means that is the videos that many people around your region or locality is actually watching. That's why it is trending in your region. That is also the similar case on top searches. These are the searches that many people around your region or locality are actually making, and it's not up to you to remove them. It's simply up to Netflix whether they want to show this option or not. Just like the trending section is not removable, the top searches on Netflix is also not removable. Also keep in mind that this is not a search history. These are simply top searches from other people around your region. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.